Hello everyone, I'm Denise and welcome. Today we're going to be talking about one of Ralph Lauren's rare and retired bedding collections. This is called Water Floral Pink. I'll hold this up for you so you can just kind of start to get an idea of how beautiful this pattern is. Now, this is one of the most sought after patterns from Ralph Lauren home from the 1990s and 2000s. And on my website, I am offering this entire set. So what you'll be looking at here is the King Comforter, 2 standard pillowcases. I actually have a king sheet not in the package, and then a king sheet in the package, and then a king flat sheet. And that's going to be offered on the website. What I'd like to say about this pattern is truly, for me, it reminds me almost of like an impressionist kind of vibe. And certainly it brings in the feeling of nature. If you like the pinks, the blues, any kind of greens on a really nice soft background, this is for you. It complements just about any kind of an interior design style. For example, cottage, shabby chic, eclectic, transitional, traditional. It really works in just about anything. So, without further ado, let's take a look at this collection. Okay, I've tipped the camera down a little bit so that you'll be able to see the design and also what I'm showing you. So let's first get started with the comforter. Now, this comforter is 100% cotton on the outside, the fabric, and it is a cotton poly fill. And what I'd like to say about this is the stitching that of course holds that poly in place is all in perfect order. So we know that is all set. And I want to show you the tag here. I actually got this from a woman who was a long-time 20-year employee of Ralph Lauren back in the 80s and 90s, and this was her collection. She was liquidating that. So what we can see on the tag, we can also see, I think this is great, it was quilted by Preston Stokes. So Preston Stokes, if you're out there, get in touch with me. So here's the beautiful quilt. It is just extraordinary. And when it was originally made, it was made for easy, to clean it easily. You can put it in the washing machine and wash it that way. You can tumble dry. So it's a lot like that. Very easy to clean. It also doesn't wrinkle terribly, and it sleeps very light. You know, one of the concerns about these big quilts is that they sleep so hot. This one doesn't, and it sleeps very light. So this is the King Water Floral Pink Comforter. Okay, so I actually have 2 fitted sheets. This one has been opened, although it was rarely used. And the elastic on this is great. I'll show you a picture of how we put it on a bed for staging purposes. And it'll accommodate not a really huge modern mattress, probably up to about 15 or 14 inches. Now I also have one that is still in the packaging. So 2 king sheets are available, king fitted sheets are available on the website. And here is the king flat sheet. And I think it's with this that you can really see. I want to show you the header here, or the top hem, right? And I'm going to unfold this a little bit so you can kind of see it in its glory. Can you see that pattern? I'll take it one more time, one more unfold, so you can really see this. And that is a really good look at the pattern or the design gorgeous pinks and blues and peonies and blue wildflowers and greenery. And this is in great shape, great condition, and really beautiful design. Finally, our two standard pillowcases. Yeah, you can really see the design there. So these are standard pillowcases. That one, of course, has a pillow in it, and I'll show you here the header or the hem so you can get a good look at that. And these pillowcases, like I said, are standard. And let's take a look at this. Let's measure this. Basically measured out, this is about 30, as you would expect, yeah. Yeah, 30 by probably 16. It is a standard pillowcase. So the whole set includes king comforter, two standard pillowcases, a fitted sheet, and a flat sheet. And you can find that on our website, which is vintageluxurybedding.com.